This review video was created by bestvpn.com, where you can find high quality and detailed reviews of around 60 different VPN services. Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be reviewing NordVPN. With NordVPN you'll be able to surf the internet completely anonymously, all while keeping your data and information safe from hackers and hiding yourself from corporations and governments. In this video, we'll be showing you how to install their software, and then we'll finally test everything to make sure that it's working properly and hiding our connection and IP address. Let's head on over to www.nordvpn.com to get started. Now, the first thing that you'll see is their claim to be the world's most advanced VPN, and their service has even won PC Magazine's Editor's Choice Award. The image on the right shows that their software works on your Windows PC, your Macs, your tablets, and your Android devices. NordVPN also allows you to stay protected whether you're using the web at your home or maybe on the go via a public Wi-Fi. It also allows you to view websites that would normally be blocked in your area. For example, NordVPN allows you to watch things like Hulu, Netflix, the BBC, and even much more from anywhere in the world. It even allows you to utilize P2P file sharing services or VoIP or VoIP applications that you may be unable to normally access. And the data that's sent between you and your destination is protected with their 2048-bit SSL encryption that's supposedly so strong even a supercomputer can't crack it. NordVPN claims to be lightning fast with over 550 different servers in 49 different countries, so there's plenty of locations to mask your connection from. They do not log any of the traffic going through their network. There's an automatic kill switch feature in place too to shut down any site or software that's being utilized if your VPN connection does happen to drop out. They also have plenty of good reviews, and they seem to be getting quite a lot of mentions with some of the popular companies such as Forbes and the Huffington Post and others. All of this sounds like the makings of a solid VPN service, but what about the cost? They're listing their prices right here at the bottom of their homepage, and it looks like there are 3 different plans. Their simple plan is simply $8 per month. And if you wanted to save almost 13%, you can go with the standard plan, which comes out to be $7 per month. It's a 6-month plan, and it bills you $42 when you sign up and $42 every 6 months thereafter. You can also save up to 28% with their best offer plan or their annual plan. The annual plan comes out to be $5.75 per month, and it bills you $69 once every year. Now, for the purpose of this review video, I'm going to go ahead and sign up with the simple plan. Then we're going to install the software and test the service out to see if everything's really working properly and hiding our connection. Alright, so here we go. Choose plan. Here's the 8-month plan. And yep, that's the right one, the monthly plan. I'll choose that. I can either do credit card, PayPal, Bitcoin, or other. I'm going to choose PayPal. And there's even a spot for if you have a coupon, you can use a coupon. And let's go ahead and check that and hit buy now. Well, let's see, create secure account. All right, so I do have to put an email. Let me go ahead and put in email. All right, and I'm hit buy now. And it's processing my payment. All right, and you can use the same email you used a moment ago to log in. Alright, and this looks like a general account information page. We've got 31 days left here. This looks like a payment history display. We've got settings that will allow you to change your password, and even a referral system where you can earn some money if you refer a friend. There's more information here at the bottom. Let's go ahead to the download area. Now, based on which machine or device you are using, whether it's Android or Apple, a Mac operating system, or an older version or newer version of Windows, it's all right here. Be sure to pick the right one. I'm on a Windows 8.1 machine, so I will go with Windows 8. I'm going to choose the top one here. It says recommended software version 5.56. I'm going to save it somewhere. And when it's done downloading, just go ahead and open it. If you can just click on it right there in your browser, it will work just fine, or just go to wherever you saved it. And if you get a Windows security message to install some drivers or allow anything to work through your firewall, go ahead and allow it. Alright, so here's the software, and the username is probably going to be the same email that you just registered with. So go ahead and type the same one in there, and you can hit remember me if you want to, and click log in. First thing it's going to show you is the list of servers you can connect through to mask your connection. They have a vast list of servers. I'm going to pick something out of Russia this time, so I'm going to double click on Russia, and it's going to connect me. Here it goes, connecting to selected server. Alright, so it's going to tell us our username right here, and even our account info. It's telling us our ISP is located out of Russia. It's masked through Russia with an IP address listed here. And it even gives you the server load. That's pretty cool. Let's take a look at the program real quick. In the settings menu, we have a Start with Windows button. That's pretty handy. You can start it minimized, so you're not really even bothered with it. DNS leak protection, that will come in handy. We're going to leave that on and see if it really tests that in a moment. DNS servers, you can pick and designate servers. That's pretty cool, pretty handy. Smart Play, show news, all right, auto connect. You can auto connect to any of the servers in the list. Wow. Plenty of servers there, okay. Default protocol, you got UDP and TCP connections there, and you can even check for updates right here on the main program. Add an application to the process kill list. So this is where you can use that kill switch feature, and if the VPN service goes out, it will kill the application. So we don't want to do that right now. Let's go ahead and back up, and what we want to do is go ahead and test it. So let's first, I like to test the speed. So let's test it through, let's test a video on YouTube and see if we can just play a random video here and see if we have some speed. I'm going to watch it buffer. It looks like it's certainly buffering as much as I need it to. Let's go ahead and fast forward it. Watch our bar here. Yeah, it's playing video just fine. That's a 480. Let's hit it up to 720p, see if it can handle it. And it's handling it just fine. I see the bar downloading. It's HD quality. So yeah, the speed is definitely there. Let's test the IP masking and see if it's really masking our location by visiting iplocation.net. All right, and we told it to go through a Russian server, and here it is. The Russian symbol is all throughout iplocation.net. It thinks we're coming right from Moscow. So it looks like our connection is certainly masked. That is pretty good. Now, another thing I like to test is the DNS leakage. Basically, when you go to a website like www.youtube.com or yahoo.com or anything like that, your computer in the background translates that web address into an IP address, and it goes through a DNS server. And during that process, your location can be revealed. So you need your VPN service to really mask your DNS resolution when it goes ahead and when it goes on and translates that website into an IP address. So let's go to www.dnsleaktest.com and see if our connection is really being masked. It did have a DNS leak checkbox in there. We'll do a standard test right now. And look at that, the standard test shows that we're coming from Russia. It's definitely masking our DNS on the standard. Let's do an extended test. Yep, it's still showing that we're coming through the country of Russia. So it looks like NordVPN is working properly. Let's see if there's anything else on the website to check out. It looks like there's a blog page on here to stay up to date on anything as far as tips and tricks on how to secure yourself even further. And even here it looks like we're coming from a Russian server. That's pretty cool. What's under the tools and information here? Well, there's a FAQ section and tutorial section if you need any help setting up any of the services. That's pretty handy. It goes into OpenVPN connections and TP settings and everything like that, L2TP settings. So let's check one more time the program, but I think it's pretty straightforward. There's a help button here for the FAQ. There's even live support, and there's the button for live support right there. That's about it. The settings, again, we've already checked that. So that wraps up this review video of NordVPN. Overall, the service is a breeze to install. In fact, there was no actual install. It just asked me a yes or no question for some kind of driver, and it was already opening itself. It makes me wonder if it can be a good VPN to stick on a flash drive. The website is pretty straightforward, and the pricing seems fair, especially when you go for the yearly plan. There was live support available right there on the website, as well as plenty of tutorials. The application is available on all platforms and operating systems, and we finally tested the speed, and it certainly is fast. It didn't have to stop to buffer any video on YouTube, and as far as security goes, it masked our location and DNS resolution process. In my opinion, this one can certainly hang with the best of them. And I want to thank everyone for watching this review video. Have a great day. For more great review videos, head on over to bestvpn.com, where you can find high quality and very detailed reviews of several different VPN services.